first you should connect the hose on the interface. Okay, second, you should take off the bottles and pour in solutions inside the bottle. And then return it back. Okay, then turn on the switch. The machine is starting. Choose the bottle you want to use. Put the tips on the handles. And then turn start. Adjust the vacuum you want, from minimum to max. Adjust the water level you want to use. You can try is it okay? After you finish this treatment, take the hose out. Press the blue button and take the hose out and put in the hydro dermabrasion. Exchange another hose. And then use the same way. Choose the bottles you want, adjust the vacuum, and adjust the water level, and then you can operate.
开始。
不用那个，Okay, here we show how to take the waste water out. Press the silver metal, and then put the hose inside, and then the water will pour out.
开始。
Take it out.